Welcome! To open the Watercolor Effect Landscape/Portrait PSD files, you'll need to use Photoshop. I recommend using version CS5 for best results. First, open the Watercolor Effects folder number 1 and select either the portrait or landscape file in PSD format. Once the document opens, double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail on the layer named Double-Click to edit the watercolor. This will open a new window. Next, go to the file and select Place Embedded to choose the image you want to work on. Press Enter to turn it into a smart object. If necessary, adjust its size to fit the matrix. After that, update the Place New Smart Object Layer image by holding down Ctrl+S, Windows, or Command+S, Mac OS, and waiting for it to save. Once it's done, close the new window and return to your original document. You should now see your new image with the final watercolor effect applied. You can change the texture of the paper by selecting one of the 5 texture layers. When you're ready to save your work, it's essential to save your new image as a copy. When you close the original image, choose Don't Save to avoid losing the original PSD file. Please note that it is very important that you save your new image as a copy, and at the time of closing the original image, choose to Don't Save because otherwise, you will lose the original editable file in PSD. Just a gentle reminder, when you're done working on your new image, remember to save it as a separate copy. And, when closing the original PSD file, be sure to select Don't Save. This way, we'll keep the original editable file intact. It's a crucial step to avoid losing any of our editable work. Have fun! Need help? If you have any questions or need assistance, my friendly customer support is just an email at paulexebe@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.